The Overview tab of the Opportunities module shows us a summary of all opportunities and their sales stages associated with all contacts and accounts. Multiple filters can be applied to customize this view, and data can be exported into an Excel document. As the opportunities progress along the sales cycle, we can click and drag them to different sales stages. Information can be edited by clicking on the opportunity name. Once here in the opportunity window, we can modify any information previously entered, view notes, tasks, documents, and the history associated with this opportunity. In the Reports view, we have the same information as in the overview, but in a list format. Here, we can click and open the opportunity to edit. Different filters can be used to view specific opportunities here as well. To create a net new opportunity, navigate to the Contacts or Accounts module. And that's your quick overview of this module. More detailed videos are available on the CentrixOne Academy.